dog whiff hat is one of the top trending meme coins of 2024. And since January 2024, it's exploded in price from 8 cents all the way up to an all-time high of $4.80. So week over week, Whiff has been one of the top trending coins on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX Screener, and various social media analytics. So with the current dip on the Whiff price, I wanted to measure some key levels for the token and make some future price predictions. Super bullish on the Whiff token, so let's take a look. So at the time of filming, Whiff is ranked number 46 on CoinMarketCap with a price of $255 and a market cap of $2.5 billion. And like I mentioned, over the past couple of months, Whiff is up over 1,000%, and popularity just keeps growing week over week. And even though it's ranked number 4 as the most popular meme coin, it is down 46% from its all-time high. We do know that every bull cycle is different, so I do firmly believe Whiff is the Doge coin of 2024. If you were going to invest in any meme coin this year, Whiff should be your number one choice. And if you're in the United States, the most popular centralized exchange to acquire Whiff would be the Crypto.com exchange. If you want to use a decentralized exchange, I recommend you use Jupiter. So looking at the daily chart, we did get a nice breakout back in February here, and it does look like we are forming a ascending triangle. So now if I zoom in and I turn on my Bollinger Bands, so we do see Whiff is currently touching the lower Bollinger Band. So anything in this area down here on the lower Bollinger Band is a buy entry, and as soon as the price starts climbing higher, anything on the upper Bollinger Band here is a sell point. So simply because we've entered the lower Bollinger Band here, this is a perfect entry for anyone looking to get into Whiff. And at the time of filming, we're trending at around $2.53 per token. And one more thing I wanted to point out on the RSI down here, you tend to trend around the 40-point mark here, and usually we bounce and push higher. We find nice support here, push higher. We found support here and push higher. And again, we are finding support here on the RSI at the 40-point mark, and it does look like it will want to consolidate and push higher from here. So now if we look at the 1 hour chart, so similar story here. If I turn on my Bollinger Bands, we were riding the lower Bollinger Band here, and it seems like we broke out of it. And again, anytime you are riding this Bollinger Band here, this is an entry point for you, and vice versa. When we revisit the upper Bollinger Band, which should be here, that is a time to sell your token. And support on the RSI here, support here, and more support here, and it would be curling upward. So now let's look at some pivot points. So looking at your pivot points here, this P section here, this is your dividing line. So anything below this line is considered bearish, and anything above this P line is considered bullish. So now we find ourselves in this S1 level. So S1 currently is roughly at the $2.57 price point. So with this support zone, it looks like to be consolidating here for a bit, and at minimum, we will revisit the pivot point up here. So the price target for that would be $3.12. Once we push beyond the pivot point here, we will start revisiting our first R1, which is resistance 1. So resistance 1 here would be a price point of $3.52. So now if we zoom out, looking ahead, our R2 would be $4.06, R3 would be $4.46, and we can continue pushing higher at R4 at $4.58, $4.85, and R5 at $5.24. So personally, I do see Whiff as a swing trade. I know it's strictly a meme coin, no utility, but these are easy catches and easy coins to trade with. So like I showed you earlier, Whiff is currently down over 46% from its all-time high. So this is an easy 50% gainer for anyone who's looking to swing trade. So at the current price point at roughly $2.50, if you invest $1,000, that's an easy $500 gain. If you invest $10,000, that's an easy $5,000 gain. You get the idea. So you definitely want to follow popular sentiment every bull cycle. This season, it's Whiff. Past bull runs, we did have other popular coins such as Doge, Shiba, and Pepe, but for 2024, I would recommend Whiff as your number one meme play. So there you have it, a quick technical analysis on the Whiff token. Don't forget to take profits along the way. Personally, I will be selling all of my Whiff once we hit the $5 price target. And don't forget to use the Bollinger Bollinger Bands here. When you're doing your own technical analysis, it's a great predictor when a coin is oversold. And don't forget to stay up to date with everything Dog Whiff hat related on their official X page at .whiffcoin. And don't forget to check out all my other YouTube tutorials. So are you a fan of the Whiff token? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.